Hello everyone, welcome back to SK CAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this in Autodesk Inventor software. This is the knuckle joint first part, fork and rod. So select new, standard, create. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Select extrude, select plane, select circle, create two circles, give the dimension 60 and 30. This is 30. Select rectangle, select line, create one center line, select symmetric, select trim entities, trim these lines. Next, from here to here 98 mm. This is 28 mm. Select line, so remove the construction line. So give the dimension here. So you can see here to here 44.5 mm. Okay, select these three lines, select mirror, mirror about center line, apply. Select trim entities, trim the unwanted lines. So give the dimension, this one, and this pitch is symmetric also is there. Otherwise give the horizontal constraint for this line. So finish sketch, extrude, here select mid plane up to 28 mm. So it's both side 28 mm. Next, two circles 52 and 25. Select this surface, sketch, select circle 52, finish, extrude, reverse the direction 18 mm. Then select this surface, sketch, circle, diameter 25 mm. Finish sketch, select extrude. So remove material, reverse the direction, don't give through, 18 mm is enough. Okay, select these two, select mirror about center axis. Okay, next select this surface, sketch, select circle, diameter 20, finish sketch, extrude up to 40 mm. Select this surface, sketch, here select polygon, give 8, okay. Select the project geometry, select this surface, select this and this, give a horizontal constraint. Okay, vertical constraint is okay. Finish sketch, select extrude, select the edges, so reverse direction up to 45 mm. Next select fillet, dimension give 5.5 mm. Sorry, select these edges. Friends, if you are enjoying this session, please hit the like button. Okay, next again select fillet, give 2 mm, select this. If you want, you can give chamfer here, 2 mm, apply. Select the fillet, 25 mm, select these two edges. Okay, again select fillet, 2 mm, again give 5 mm, or you can increase the fillet just for aesthetic looking, like this. So our fork end is ready. So you can see the drawing. If anything is missing, please leave the comment below. Definitely I will revert back you. This guide rod, I think we give 20, right? Edit sketch. Oh, this is 25. Finish. So assign the material here. So I will go with steel, stainless steel. Buffing, I will go with buffing and deburring. So save the part wherever you want. I will save my desktop. I will create the folder here. Knuckle joint. Fork end. Save. So if you want, you can assign some good colors for this part. So like this we can assign the color. So that's the today's session, friends. I hope you like this session, and also once again requesting everyone, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thanks for watching this session, friends.